We'll guide you through how to implement Claude Code best practices. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred code editor and make sure you have the latest version of Claude installed. This is crucial because updates often include important changes and optimizations. Next, go to the official Claude documentation website. It's your go-to resource for best practices and has the most up-to-date information. As you navigate through the documentation, focus on sections that highlight code structuring and performance tips. One key practice is to always use Claude's predefined functions and libraries whenever possible. They are optimized for performance and ensure compatibility with future updates. After that, pay attention to the error handling section. Implementing robust error handling can save you a lot of time debugging later. Claude provides specific error messages and codes that can be easily integrated into your code for better diagnostics. Moving on, make sure you follow the naming conventions outlined in the documentation. This not only improves readability but also helps maintain consistency across different team members working on the same project. Another important aspect is testing. Claude recommends writing comprehensive unit tests to ensure each component of your code performs as expected. You can use Claude's built-in testing tools, which are designed to work seamlessly with its other features. Finally, don't forget to regularly review and refactor your code. As best practices evolve, so should your code base. Regular reviews will help you keep your code efficient and up to date with the latest standards. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.